I've been working with many types of clients for over 3 years, but I've never had something like this happen before. The man I was assisting was desperate as he explained that his car had suddenly broken down and he had no idea what the problem was. My job was to guide the man through his insurance company's procedures to deliver technical and roadside assistance to him. I never imagined that the man would inform me that his wife was about to give birth to their child. Upon receiving the information, I was surprised but quickly realized there was no time to waste. Within 3 minutes, I reassured the man that assistance was on its way. Furthermore, I arranged for a tow truck and dispatched an ambulance to ensure they reached the hospital in time. A few months later, the gentleman sent an email expressing their gratitude for the service I had provided. The email also included a heartwarming photo of the newest member of their family. On that day, I made something extraordinary happen. My name is Raul, and I work at Intugo.